CryptoKids, this is the final video, final Bitcoin update video of 2025. 2025 is coming to an end, and I'm super happy to see snow for the first time since I was like 3 years old. Very, very exciting. I'm gonna go and make a snowman tomorrow. That's the plan. But this is the final Bitcoin update video of 2025. Next year, I'm going to drop a video with my expectation for the entirety of 2026. And also, tomorrow we're going to do a show on the Moonshow channel recapping exactly what happened for crypto in 2025. It's been a big year. A lot took place from President Trump coming in January with the Trump and Melania meme coins to him posting about a potential Bitcoin and crypto strategic reserve, to executive orders, to the Genius Act, to tariffs, to quantitative easing. It's been a wild year, so to say, and the CryptoKid audience has grown to massive, massive new heights. We reached 60,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. I'm very, very grateful. And I think 2026 as a whole is going to be a fantastic year for us too. Maybe it's going to start off a bit slow. I think it's going to be a year of initial consolidation. I'm going to pull up my friend. I can't believe I can call him my friend, but I'm going to pull up Ben Cowan's into the cryptoverse and give you a comparison of what I think is going to take place for a majority of the year. I think there's going to be a similarity with 2019. 2019 was when we topped out on apathy, and it was when we went from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing. Ben thankfully has visualized it beautifully on intothecryptoverse.com. I can take a look at the 20 quantitative QT ending bear markets, overlay 2019 with the current market, and you can see we're pretty much on track. I think we're going to consolidate in a negative way. It's very possible that if Bitcoin decides to break up at some point, right, if we can go above $91.8 thousand, then I think the 107 to the 106.5 makes sense, and that's where I'm going to be shorting Bitcoin over on weeks. But if we break below the MRI breakout level of 84.2, even 84.6, then I think in the short term, we're going to grab liquidity at 74. It doesn't really matter. I think the big move, the next big opportunity is going to arrive in the markets when we go into Q4, when we see the effects of quantitative easing hit the risk-on market, and that's when we start propelling to the upside. I think gold is going to slowly consolidate and get a bit of a reversal. Or not like a strong reversal, but I think we're going to see a consolidation in 2026. I think that silver is going to still have a bit more of a leg up, but we're following 1979 with the 2025 price action. Silver also went bananas in 1979, but the year after that banana, and these two price trajectories are quite similar when you put them on top of each other. The following year in 1980, silver crashed, right? So I still think that Bitcoin is the biggest opportunity. I think even altcoins are good DCAs from my vantage point at this moment. Nobody cares about crypto. Nobody cares about Bitcoin. I think you guys are very special. Like I think you guys are very, very amazing that you're watching crypto and Bitcoin videos when nothing is taking place, where Bitcoin is only moving 1-2% since the beginning of December, right? For the past 31 to 40 days. I think you guys deserve a pat on the shoulder. And I think you guys are going to make it because you're here every single day. You're consistent. You're trying to educate yourselves. You're trying to understand the markets. If you can keep doing that and keep with that consistency, once those opportunities arrive, you will be the first ones to take advantage of them because you're here every day, regardless of if there's a consolidation or regardless of if there's a 20% move, you're here and you're going to be prepared. So with that said, thank you so much for watching the final update video of 2025. It's a pleasure making these videos for you. I'm going to continue making more and more videos, and I think we're going to have a great time in 2026. So make sure to destroy the like button and subscribe, and click this video at the end screen to learn how to use a cryptocurrency exchange to begin trading. I think it's a great skill to explore and learn as we go into a new year. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.